Now on here we have two problems. We have this equation where we have to distribute negative 3, and for the second one it involves a fraction this time. So for example, number 1, let's do number 1 first. For number 1, a lot of students would do 2 minus 3 and then they would write negative 1, and then they do this way. No, that's wrong. Again, in PEMDAS, remember PEMDAS, you do the parentheses first. See, that subtraction is all the way to the back. So we have to solve the one in parentheses first, and we call this, here we go, a distributive property. So for now, we're just going to copy 2, and then 3 negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Well, you can use your calculator to multiply negative 3 and 4. And because we have x, we'll copy x, and now negative 3 times negative 5 becomes positive 15 equals 12, equals 2. Now, you pause for a while and then master how I did the first step. Okay? But when you're ready, you can go ahead and draw again the line. See that equal sign? I have the line now. I have now the bridge here by the equal sign. That means, okay, that means I have to
was that more for you?
Okay, that means, see that equal sign, that means I'll go ahead and draw the bridge, and then I'll keep the x, the negative 12x, okay, on the left side. And again, it's negative, so I'm keeping it negative 12. And then number 2, and then the 2 move over becomes negative 2, 15 move over becomes negative 15. Again, you know the drill. If it's positive, when you move over, it becomes negative. If it's negative, when you move over, it becomes positive. So all you have to do is change the sign when you move a term over the bridge or equal sign. So here we go. Now I have negative 12x, and then, oh, you know what? Let me just, there you go. Change that bridge into an equal sign, and now I have 2 minus 2 minus 15. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now, negative 12x is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 15 is negative 15. And now I need the x alone, so I have to divide both sides by negative 12, negative 12. So x is equal to negative divided by negative is positive, just like multiplication. Negative times negative is positive. In negative divided by negative, it is positive. So now I have 15 over 12. But can we get the lowest term of 15 and 12? Is there a number that can divide both 15 and 12? Yes, there is. And that number is 3. We can divide both numbers by. So again, because of negative and negative, I made it positive. And now 15 divided by 3 is 5. X equals 5 over 4. Okay? Now, how about here? Now that we have a fraction here, what I would like to do first is to solve the ones in parentheses first. So let me just copy 5x plus 2 over 3. I'll take care of this later after I distribute 2, and that becomes 8. 2 times 4 is 8, and now I have negative 6x. Now that I'm done with it, with the right side, I can go ahead and get rid of that 3. Now, because I hate fractions, what I need to do is to get rid of that 3. So, to get rid of the 3, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. The denominator is 3. I hate it, so I'll just have to multiply everything by 3. So, how about this? 3 times 5 is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Or what you need to do is to just get rid of 3 and 3. Just get rid of that 3 and then just copy 2. I mean, that's really the point. The point is to just get rid of that 3 and then just keep the 2. And now 3 times 8, 8 is 24, and then 3 times negative 6 will give you negative 18. Now, I'm getting tired of drawing the bridge. If you want to draw the bridge, just go ahead and draw the bridge. But this time, I feel like I'm comfortable solving it without the bridge. So I'm just going to use my mental math by changing that x again. I want both x's on the left side of the equal sign. So see that 15, I dropped it down, and now have negative, and I need it over, it becomes positive 18x. Here we go. Write that down. And that positive 2, move it over, becomes minus 2. And now I have 15 plus 18. And that would be 33x. Okay. Equals 22. Divide both sides by 33. Using your mental math or calculator, 22 divided by 33 is, we can divide both by 11, so which is 2 over 3. And that is the final answer. You guys make sure you complete the assessment of this on my website. Here we go. That's about it. Oh, you know what? Oh, that's about it. Okay, we're good.